most of the times what happens is, okay, this is the beautiful point. Most of the times what will happen is, we are always thinking some way, but at the end, the thing is going to be happening completely reverse. Do you have any such type of experience? Completely opposite thing is going to come into the picture. Okay, so the person who believes that everything is in my control, okay, about success or failure, everything is in my control, definitely it's going to be happening in this style only. Such a type of thinking you have to remove from your brain. Okay, I'm expecting this. If the time is not favor to me, if the luck is not favor to me, then what is the thing can be happen? Okay, this is the thing can be happen. Then how I can handle the situation? That thing also matters a lot. Okay, I know I have full confidence on my effort. Definitely I can work like anything when compared with all the remaining. But if the time is not in my favor, if luck is not in my favor, how I can get out from this situation? Better to have plan B also in your mind, so that you can take wiser decisions. Okay, you should be in the safe if something goes wrong. Best example, we are expecting something. That thing is not going to be happen at the end. A number of examples, if you want, a number of examples you can consider. In the last year elections, not 2024, 2019 elections, AP CM Chandrababu Naidu is there. He expected 2 times already Narendra Modi. Now the people are against to that person. Definitely in central Congress is not going to come. I mean, BJP is not going to come. NDA won't come. This time definitely Congress only will come. If I join with Congress, then I will play the kingmaker role. I will be the key person in that government. Like what that person did is, he supported Congress. He gave the big words against NDA. Next, in Telangana, he allianced with Congress and he foughted against KCR. Because even worst scenario, in Telangana, Congress is not there. At least the central Congress will be there. I will be in safe life. What happened is, of course, it's a bit pure politics kind of thing. What happened is, whatever the worst things should not be happened, the same things happen in Chandrababu Naidu life. Remember, central BJP came, Congress not there. Telangana is against to the TRS, against to the KCR. Then automatically, because the alliance with Congress, here KCR came. At least in Andhra, he can survive. Okay, by getting TDP, there also Jagan came. Completely hands up, completely reverse thing happened. Observe carefully. Is that person expected that at the beginning? No. So don't expect everything is going to be happen according to our wish. Something goes wrong. Yes, sometimes. From this lesson, especially you require to cross check. If something goes wrong, you should be in a position to get on.